In this video, we'll be reviewing the craft body die cutting machine. Before we proceed to the video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. I got this from Shopee. I will put the link of the product in the description box below. So this is what the box looks like, and these are the contents of the box. So the die cutting machine is well protected with plastic, and then here we have the instruction manual, which I will be showing you here now. So this is the instruction manual. There's a Chinese and an English instruction indicated inside the instruction manual. This costs about 1,350 pesos. And inside the box contains one die cutting machine. This is not an electric type, but a manual type of die cutting machine. And then it also contains two acrylic plates. So there are two letters, the letter A and letter B. One is thicker than the other, which I will show you later. You can rotate the handle counterclockwise and clockwise, and then at the bottom are suction cups. Now, let's look at the acrylic plates. So, we have letter A and letter B. The A is the thicker acrylic plate compared to the letter B. And now, let's look at the size of the acrylic plates. So, the width of the acrylic plate measures around 3 inches. And the length of the acrylic plate measures around 6 inches. The whole machine measures 8 inches including the handle. The height of the machine measures 4.5 inches and the width measures 3 inches. The whole case is made of hard plastic, including the handle, and the bottom part, there are suction cups there. And there's a hole here where you will feed your acrylic plates. And now, let's put this to the test. So, I have here some pieces of scratch paper that I have. This is 80 GSM paper. Okay, so I'll be trying this again because the other one, my face is blocking the camera. So you see marks here already because I did not notice that my face is blocking the view of the camera. So anyways, let me just repeat this. I'm using ordinary bond paper. So this is 80 GSM paper. And let's try this to using our die. So this is an unbranded die, a rectangular unbranded die that we're using now. So I'm just taping the die in place, and we'll just put this B plate on top, and this is so I have to hold this. Okay, so this is one pass. Let's see. So let's see if it's able to cut the 80 GSM paper with just one pass. Okay, so close-up view. So we'll just push this with our pointed tips here. So anyways, so I think this is good with just one pass for 80 GSM paper. Now we'll check for thicker types of paper. This one, I'm going to try the 176 GSM cardstock. And I'm using this square frame die. So that's one pass for 176 GSM. Oh, I think it's a perfect cut. There. So here's the quality of the cut. There are no frays. Perfect cut. So that's one pass only for the 176 GSM. We'll now try a thicker paper. This time I'm using this Fabriano watercolor paper, and this is around 200 GSM. So I'm using the same frame die. Oh, I think I will break the acrylic plate. This is so scary. So this is one pass of the acrylic plate for the 200 GSM paper. Oh, it's a perfect cut also. Here, this one for 200 GSM. We'll now try the 270 GSM. This is Bristol Smooth cardstock. I'm using the same die. So this is Bristol Smooth cardstock, 270 GSM. And we'll try this with craft body. It's so scary. I feel like the acrylic plate will break. So this is one pass for the 270 GSM Bristol Smooth cardstock. Okay, so the cut, there's just a little spot here. Like a fraying there. But I think the outside is almost smooth. So I think this is okay for 270 GSM. But that's the thickest paper that I have, the 270. So this will work. Craft body will work for 80 GSM, 176 GSM, 200 GSM, and 250 GSM of cardstock and paper. So ngayon, I'll just remove this Kuromi placemat just to check if the suction is worth it or is working. Let's put this suction here, and then we'll try this one. Gumagana tong suction na to. Here, I'm just trying to show you if I use a more intricate die than the frame ones. Jacket die! For me, the craft body is a thumbs up. This is this is a very good starting point to die cutting. So if you're still a newbie and you don't know if you like or if die cutting would fit for you, then this would be a good starting point because the price of this is relatively really cheap and it's portable. My only con for this one is it is really small, so you're very limited to the number of dies that you will be able to use with this die cutting machine, because you're limited only to the size, to the 4-inch size width size of die, 4x6, and the suction here does not work, so you still have to press on the die cutting machine whenever you're going to use it. So I don't think this really helps in putting the die cutting machine in place of your table. So anyway, I like this. I'm so happy! And this is the craft body die cutting machine review. Thank you for watching. Please watch my other YouTube videos as well. And subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye!